everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to sign up Kik account. Now to do that, what you need to do is first thing you need to open a Google browser on your PC or in your laptop and then click open new tab. There on the search bar, you need to type in kik.com and press enter. This will open the official web page of Kik. Kik is a live video streaming service. It is the most rewarding gaming and live streaming platform. So once you're at this home page or on this screen, you need to go and click on sign up over here on the top right corner of your screen. Click on that. Once you click on sign up, this will pop out. And to sign up, you need to provide your email, date of birth, username, password, and confirm the password. So type in the email for your account at first, and then you provide the date of birth. Just select your date of birth, date of year, then you provide a username for the account. So I'm just going to provide this over here. Then you provide the password for the account. Re-enter the same password as above for confirmation. Then you can choose the preference whether you want to receive SMS alert on promos, security and account related notification. If you want that, you click on the checkbox. If not, you can just leave it. If you do that, you will need to provide the phone number. You click on the drop down menu and from there you choose a country region and then provide the number. As I do not want that alert on my phone, I'm just gonna remove it. You can also sign up with Google or Apple. If you choose the option sign up with Google or sign up with Apple, your Kik account will be created through the Google details and Apple details, and it will be a one-click sign up process. I'm gonna go with the email one. So once all that is done, you click on sign up. To complete your account registration, choose a method below to receive your 6-digit code. So you need to verify your email address. To do that, you have two options. You can verify it by email or you can verify it through SMS. I'm going to choose the option email. Click that. Once you do that, they will send a 6-digit code to the email address of yours. Open a new tab and open Gmail on here. Once you open Gmail, you need to look for the mail from Kik. There it is. Now you need to copy this code from here. You just copy this code and you paste it on here. Tap on paste. With this, your verification of the email will be completed. Here, you just need to click on accept, and with that, your account creation process for the Kik has been completed and your profile info will be over here. So this is a way how you can create a Kik account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.